driving trucks and wearing tattoos. There's only one thing they are like a bunch. Oh, girls, they wanna have lunch. Oh, girls just wanna have lunch. I know how to keep a woman satisfied. When I whip out my diner's card, their eyes get so wide. They're always in a mood for something to munch. Oh, girls, they wanna have lunch. Whoa, oh, girls just wanna have. That's all they really want is some lunch. Don't ask them what dinner or breakfast or brunch, 'cause girls, they wanna have lunch. Whoa, girls just wanna have lunch. Hey babe, you in a mood for a nice plate of spaghetti with spicy meatballs? How about getting hot with a vindaloo? That Kung Pao chick will definitely warm your mouth up. And then we can go see my friends and get a fruitful yogurt. Excellent, let's go! She eats like she's got a hole in her neck, and I'm the one that's always stuck with a check. Can't figure out why they don't weigh a ton. Oh, girls, they wanna have lunch. Whoa, girls just wanna have. That's all they really want is some lunch. Don't know for certain, but I've got a hunch. Those girls, they wanna have lunch. Whoa, girls just wanna have lunch. Just wanna have lunch. Just wanna